Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you the MOTTI ZIGGY. It's a light scooter, it can reach interesting speeds, and most important, it is an electric scooter. Okay, it's equivalent to the 125, so you need driver's license A1 or B, and being an electric, this has the chance for you to buy an adapter so you can charge in public stations on the road. And another thing, also the Portuguese government has an incentive for whoever buys an electric vehicle, either a car or a scooter. Inform yourselves how you can get some help buying a vehicle like this. Batteries, they come with a 5 years warranty, and the scooter by itself, it has a 3-year warranty. We're going to talk about seat height, 810 millimeters, so it's very easy to reach the floor with this scooter. Also, it's very easy to go on top of it. As you can see, we have a nice opening here. Usually it's where the engine is. This one, the engine, it's on the rear wheel, so you have lots of space. Total weight 115 kilograms, taking in consideration that only the battery weighs 20 kilograms. Talking about the battery, it's a 70 volt, 32 amps battery. It takes around 6 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, and it gives you a range of 100 kilometers. The load capacity of the scooter, it's 150 kilograms, and now we're gonna see the front, where we have this round headlight, everything it's LED, the turn signals also LED. Traditional suspension, one disc, 180 millimeters, 12 inches rims with the Kenda, with the dimensions 90/90. Looking at the rear of the motorcycle, we do have the seat, which is wide enough for big guys. It should be a little bit more comfortable, but it's doable. This top case, it's an extra 20 liters because we need storage, more storage on the scooter. The lights, everything, it's LED. Dual shock absorber. One disc, 180 millimeters, the same Kenda tires as in the front, 90/90 on the 12 inches rim, and it's on this rim that we do have the engine. It's a 5000 watts engine, 120 newtons, and it gives you the top speed of 95 kilometers an hour. Regarding to the handlebar, mirrors, and a few more details about the scooter, we're gonna test that right now on the road. Okay guys, here I am on board of the MOTTI ZIGGY, and it's a really nice kind of Vespa scooter. This 5000 watts engine with the very lightweight of the scooter, it's very interesting. I was able to go on the highway speeds of 105 kilometers an hour, which it is good. I don't stall traffic, and I had no problems. I did that on the Portuguese review. At this moment here, it's not a highway, it's a fast lane, and I can go in speeds of 80 to 90 kilometers an hour without any problems. Now I'm talking to you, I'm going 70 kilometers because I don't need to go faster. To show you, you guys have to trust me. If there was no traffic, I would give you a little bit more speed, but I have to be careful because this is not my motorcycle. Let me just abort this topic already. This motorcycle, it's from a customer from MOTTI, and he lent the motorcycle to MOTTI so they can lend it to me for me to be able to bring this review to you guys. So I have to say thank you to the owner of the motorcycle for that. Continue. Here on the handlebar, as you see, everything is covered. We do have front brake, rear brake, combined brake system, so when you press the rear brake, it also delivers some brake on the front. The mirrors I don't like, round mirrors, around 55% visibility on each one. I can see clearly what's behind, but they are round, okay, so I don't like them. Then we have high beams, low beams, blinkers left and right, a horn on this side, kill switch, hazard lights, and the reverse. Yes, we do have reverse on this electric scooter. Not that you need because she's very light, but there is reverse. We have the ignition there, where you can connect the motorcycle, lock the steering. and also open the seat, a hook for the groceries, and a little storage compartment underneath here. You need a key to open it, where you can put your cell phone and wallet, and nothing much more than that. Since I talked about the seat, it is comfortable enough, at least for me. I'm a tall guy, 185, 93 kilograms, I'm large, and I'm well seated. It's not the most comfortable seat in the world, but it is manageable. Underneath that seat, it's where we do have the battery, which I already told you. It's 70 volts, 72 volts and 53 amps. I think it's something like that, but as I told you in the beginning, the specifications of the battery. More things, the brakes, like I said, combined brake system. The suspensions, they are okay. I do live in an area where the roads are okay, they are good, they are not bad roads, they are not top of the line suspensions, but they do their job, and I do not complain, since I have this seat where I am comfortable enough to do my commutes to work, to do my groceries with the Ziggy. I can do all those things because of the range. It's 100 kilometers range, so always take in consideration when I say 100, let's put 90. But if you're doing commutes, don't forget, if you do 45 in one direction, you need to do the 45 in the opposite direction to reach home. So always have those things in consideration, unless you're knowing that on the destination you have a charging station where you can charge. Other things, you guys noticed that I'm on another road because it started to rain heavily. I had to stop, and now I am resuming the test ride. So the leg position, we do have the 90 degrees, only one position. This is the only one that you have. You can move your feet a little bit forward or a little bit back, but nothing more than that. But like I said, for the 45 kilometers that you can do, considering that you have to return home, okay, it's more than enough. You will not get too tired. Another thing, we do not have here on this scooter here, at least protection here on the front. I'm sure there will be some kind of windscreen protection that would help, especially on these days like this and with the rain like it is today. I'm trying to do my best. This one comes equipped with a top case, 20 liters top case, the same color as the motorcycle, and let me just go here, which gives it more storage compartments. It's underneath the seat, it's where the battery is housed. You have space to put like a jacket or something, like a jacket, rain covers or something like that. Not too much space, so having the extra top case, it's always good. I wanted to do more things, guys, but it is raining. I don't know if you guys notice, and I'm riding a scooter with this 12 inches tires. They are small. I can do it, but I don't feel 100% comfortable with these small tires. That's why I'm riding really slow, having all the precautions. Another thing, since I was doing this, we do have the regeneration for the batteries, okay, which is good. It's not regenerative braking. It's when you take your handles from the throttle, it will regenerate the battery. So look, if I go this and I leave it, it is recharging the battery a little bit, not too much, but it helps. And since I'm looking at this dashboard, I didn't talk about it, I guess I didn't. So you have here, let's say the RPMs of the battery, how much it is spending, the speed. Then here we have odometer, trip 1 and battery voltage. It changes automatically after some time, and underneath we do have the percentage of the battery, and that's all the information that you have. Let me see something. Okay, blinkers, it's just arrows there on the dashboard. It's a simple dashboard, it's elegant, and it's digital, so which is nice. Again, top speeds around 80 kilometers an hour. I'm doing here, it is a windy area, and I'm doing 85, so I think it is more than reasonable. I'm gonna exit here. because of the rain, because of the wind, and it's not the proper conditions, but it's the only ones that I have at the moment, and I'm doing the best to bring you this review of the MOTTI, the Ziggy, and I hope you appreciate it. And if you do appreciate, don't forget to subscribe the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below because it's starting to rain again, and your friend SpitfirePT is gonna say bye.